The next CSGO Major is only about a month away at this point, and the update that included sticker capsules in the 2021 Stockholm Major dropped a week before the actual event. So today I want to talk about if the new major/new sticker capsules and souvenir packages and all the other major goodies getting released is going to cause a crash in the market and what we've seen in the past. So as always, if you enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And quickly, before we get into it, let's go over the sponsor, SkinsMonkey. SkinsMonkey is a CSGO trading site where you can find great prices to trade your skins at, and just to prove it, here's me trading my USPS Monster Mashup for a StatTrak AK Cartel, and it's practically a break-even trade. You can even make some money, and here's how. SkinsMonkey is offering up to a $5 bonus if you sign up through that link in the description today, or just enter code SUKA in the top right when you log into the site. So be sure to sign up today with that link and easily trade out your old boring skins for new ones without losing tons of money. But for now, let's get right into the video. So first of all, let's just start by going back and seeing what happened with older sticker capsules when the Stockholm Major stickers got released on October 21st, 2021. I'm going to start by looking at RMR since they were the most recent, and even though they were pretty much a bust from the start, we did see a significant dip when the Stockholm capsules got released from 28 cents to 22 cents, and they continued down from there. If we go back to the Berlin 2019 Major, more specifically some of the team hollows and foils, you can clearly see that after this October 21st time point that not only did we see a substantial initial dip right away, but we also saw it continue onto where we are today and kind of just watch these capsules slowly bleed out and lose all their gains across the years, since currently they're at a price that they were at right when the sale happened for that 2019 Major, and I mean they've been to much higher points throughout the years between that, and they've just lost all of those gains. But now, because of this especially, I'm really fearful for the stickers from the Stockholm Major because it's very possible that we see them either die out like this, and I think there's a really big chance that they take a big hit in price when the new sticker capsules do drop, which is why I've said to get rid of them in the next few weeks, or honestly as soon as possible. I'm going to be selling mine in the next few days. So with that being said, let's move on to souvenir packages, and then I'll close this video out with just how normal everyday play skins are going to be affected, definitely skins that you own. But let's start with souvenir packages, and they are an interesting situation. So because we've seen two majors so close together, it seems like it'd be a bit weird for Valve to just reuse all the same souvenir packages again, but it is entirely possible, and I'm not sure what else they would do at this point unless they just gave us something completely new or just don't do souvenir packages this time around, which I highly doubt. A lot of the packages now are hovering around the mid to high $3 range. Note that for some reason some of the packages say they're $5 on the Steam market when it literally just isn't true, and you can go to their page and see that they're once again in that $3 range. I guess it's just because Steam is bugged, but either way. If you own these and think that Valve is just going to reuse the same souvenir packages, I would sell unless you want to hold for like 6 more months or move that money into sticker capsules possibly during the next major. Because although there is charts to back up that price drops when souvenir packages get released and they're the same exact skins inside of them, I don't even really need to show them because it's self-explanatory. If an old souvenir package in the game like the Stockholm 2021 Mirage package is $3.60 on the market right now, and a new package gets released for only $3 in the in-game store with the exact same items, price is obviously going to drop off a significant amount. Now, with that being said, since the Stockholm packages are at a decent price right now, you could sell for a slight profit or around break even in the vast majority of them. So it isn't a huge deal, but once again, they will dip in price if we see the same collections reused, so just a heads up for that, especially since I think it is going to happen. But finally, as for the rest of the CSGO market that will affect everyone, just with normal play skins, knives, stuff like that, I'm going to start off by showing the butterfly knife since it's one skin I've consistently gone on to check for stuff like this, and as you could see, well, it had a massive dip on September 21st when Operation Riptide got released, but if we move on a month ahead to the Stockholm Major, there's absolutely nothing at all. And that's the case in pretty much all of the expensive skins in CS. It doesn't really make sense for people to be selling $1,500 knives for a major viewing pass and sticker capsules that aren't even on sale yet, but that's an expensive skin. So let's lower the price just a teensy bit down to the AK Redline. With the AK Redline, we see this same exact dip when the Operation gets released, but this time around, unlike the top tier expensive items on the CS market, we see a little dip when the major comes around. most likely from people either selling to open sticker capsules right away or to buy the major viewing pass, which cost $10 last time. So it makes sense that we see a dip right away in these random play skins around this price range, and I'm sure this time around we'll also see skins anywhere from a few bucks, probably upwards of $100 slightly affected by this, because some of the most expensive skins I saw than last time was a field tested Op-As mob, and that was right around that $100 range. But considering how strong the market is right now, just like last time around, I don't think it's going to be any prolonged drop or anything you'll have to worry about or sell now, because it's most likely just going to be a slight pump in price of people selling for the highest buy order to get some money in their Steam wallet, and then the normal trend will continue after that, just like we saw last time around. So once again, nothing too crazy, nothing you're gonna have to worry about if you just own a bunch of random play skins like the vast majority of CS players do. So besides that, I think that is gonna wrap it up for this video. So as always, if you guys did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and of course check out Skins Monkey as well to get a fair price trading for your skins. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.